exercise. So today we will be working on another exercise of DAX query. You can download the file. I've already downloaded the file. This is the file where we have the films and the genres. So we need to work on the DAX Studio where we need to create a query to uh, list out. Let's first check the connections. Everything is fine. We need to list out the each genre, the average runtime in the minutes, and the total number of Oscar they have won. So I will go here in my file and I will go in this tab and open the DAX Studio. So we have the film, the genre, and the certificate, right? All of these tables are here, three tables. Now we will write a query, right? So this query is started with evaluate, and then understand the situation. We need to find out the list of each genre average runtime, right? So we will be taking the summarize function, right? And the table is genre table, comma, genre, and from genre table, genre, right? And here, so from here, what we will do, we will name it as average run time, a column, where we will be taking it as average of film run time in minutes, right? And I will be closing it and then comma and then total Oscar win. And I will be taking as sum with the film. And in this, if we have any Oscar wins, right? I will be closing it and the closing it whole. And if we run this, let's say query if it is working or not. No, it's not working. Why it's not working? Because we have not put comma here. So after putting the comma, and if I try to run this, now it's still not running. It's telling the syntax average is incorrect, right? Why it's incorrect? We haven't used any differentiation here, like the comma, for which we want to do this. And if I click on run now, still it's not. Yeah, yeah, now it's working. There was a space here. So right now we are getting it's same as like SQL. We are getting, instead of these, if you look into the film table, right? In this table we have these much of the columns, but in the DAX Studio we only wanted these columns where we are naming it by our own. So right now we are having a table, and then I think we need to sort it by get a list of the average runtime, and we can sort it by ourselves, like with the Oscar win, like the most Oscar win should be here, and then below that, right? So I can write it as order by, okay, and then from films with Oscar wins, order by sum. Can I take sum? Yes, sum of Oscar wins, right? Closing it by descending. And if I click all and if I run, I yeah, the space, the right now it's why it's not giving us the way we wanted. Mm, Wait. So in this, we need to order it by genre, right? Instead of Oscar 1, A, B, 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 like this. So I will not take this and order by just the genre, right? If I write GEN, we have the table and this, and then genre, and then enter. And if I run this now, yep, A, B, B, B. So this is how you work in DAX Studio. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.